Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Meta AI app login problem, whether it is stuck on the loading screen, showing any kind of error or not opening at all. So these are simple steps that you can do on your phone in just a couple of minutes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first method, you need to make sure that your mobile data or the Wi-Fi is working properly. Instead of the Meta AI application, you can just try launching another application like YouTube, and you can just stream any of the videos there in order to check whether your data is actually working or not, because Meta AI needs a stable internet connection which you need to provide it in order to run it smoothly. If you feel that your internet connection is not at all stable, you can just try this trick in which you need to swipe down your notification bar, then tap on this airplane mode once. Afterwards, you need to tap on this airplane mode again, and this is going to basically reset your mobile data and also help you in improving your internet speed. Now, if the method doesn't work and if the issue still persists, you can just try updating the Meta application. For that, launch your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Meta AI. If you find any kind of updates over here, simply tap on it in order to update your Meta AI application to the latest version. The older versions can have login bugs, but definitely you need to try the latest version here. Now, if the issue still persists, you can just simply long press on the Meta AI's apps icon, then go to app info. Now here in the app info itself, you will be able to see the clear cache option. Most of the time it is under the storage usage. So tap on it, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. So this is going to basically restart your application, and you need to just launch it and see if it is working or if it is still there. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to fix the login issues in the Meta AI application. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more fixes, and comment below if you need any further help. Thanks for watching.